OnePlus expands Nord lineup with N10 5G and N100. UK pre-order and availability dates are confirmed. We are going to cover all this topic in this video, so please stay tuned. As expected, OnePlus has just announced the latest product in its affordable Nord smartphone range. The recently leaked Nord N10 5G comes in at slightly cheaper than the original Nord price, which is Euro 329 versus Euro 379 in the European market, while the N100 costs substantially less at Euro 179. They will be available in the next month, but there is no any concrete information on when they will be arriving in the Indian market. So we just figure it out when they are going to launch in Indian market. So please stay tuned. Welcome back to your own channel Mo Game Tech, where we discuss smartphone gaming and technology. So after a round of rumor treadmills, the new monster from the Nord series just appeared. So the thing is that the Nord N10 5G and Nord N100 are the new siblings to the Nord series. The Nord N10 will be one of the cheapest 5G smartphone on the market, but it's got some other appealing specs too. It's got a 6.49-inch Full HD display with 90Hz refresh rate, warp charging, 30D fast charging, and a quad camera setup with 64MP primary unit. Even 7T didn't have that kind of camera setup. Additional cameras include 119 ultrawide plus useful macro and monochrome lens. It's all powered by mid-range Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 SoC with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage. A 4300 mAh cell should make for half decent battery life to go along with the speedy charging. If you are looking for something even more affordable, the Nord N100 is an interesting proposition. It's got a 6.52 inches display, stereo speaker, and a large 5000 mAh battery that charge at 18 watt with a fast charging support as well. Qualcomm's budget Snapdragon 460 processor means no 5G and more modest performance. It comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Isn't hugely impressive, but at least you can expand the latter via microSD. This is one of the first smartphone from the OnePlus which having an expandable storage including a 3.5mm jack. In fact, the N10 5G also having a 3.5mm jack, which is quite impressive. The triple rear camera setups includes a 13MP main sensor, bokeh lens, and a macro lens. Both phones stick to the similar aesthetic with the punch hole cutouts and noticeably large chins. The displays are both LCD, and the rear fingerprint sensor replaces the in-display option from the original Nord to keep the cost down. Interestingly, this is the first smartphone from the OnePlus Nord series who having a physical fingerprint display. The Nord N10 5G will come in a midnight ice colorway and a cost Euro 329 in the UK when it goes on the sale in the November 16th, as per the official source from the OnePlus UK site. The Midnight Frost N100 costs a little as Euro 179 and it will be available on November 10th in UK. For pre-order updates, OnePlus has confirmed pre-order and general sales date from both the new Nord phone in the UK. The N100 will be available for pre-order from tomorrow from Amazon UK website before general availability begins November 16th at Amazon UK, while the N10 5G starts November 14th and the phone then goes on a general sale on November 27th. We are still waiting for Indian availability, but from various sources and from various websites rumored it is going to be launched in the month of December from second week.